In triangle ABC, show that R1 minus R by A, R2 minus R by B is equal to R3 minus R by C. This is plus. R1 minus R by A, R2 minus R by B, R3 minus R by C is equal into S is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. We have to prove. Starting solution, please concentrate. This is your left hand side. R1 minus R by A, R2 minus R by B, R3 minus R by C into S. Proceed. R1 formula delta by S minus A. R delta by S. Please concentrate. R2 delta by S minus B. R delta by S by B. Delta by S minus C for R3 minus delta by S for R by C into S. In the numerator, delta is common in all. So I am removing delta from all. Please watch. Keep watching. Numerator LCM S into S minus A, S minus S plus A by A. Understand? LCM S into S minus A. This is S minus S minus A because of this minus sign plus A. Similarly, S into S minus B by B. Similarly, S minus S plus C, S into S minus C by C. Understand once again, R1 minus R, delta by S minus A minus delta by S, similar substitutions of the formulae. Here delta common, here also delta common. From all the fractions I have removed delta here. 1 by S minus A minus 1 by S by A. Similarly 1 by S minus B minus 1 by S by C. 1 by S minus C minus 1 by S is equal to C. Delta. Please see carefully. This S will cancel. Here. Hope you have understood. This is A by S into S minus A by A. Same division, it's still in denominator only, please note. For example, just see here. If it is 1 by X plus Y by Z, I can always write 1 by X plus Y into 1 by Z. Please note, both are same. Understand? The same work is done here. After removal of S, A by S into S minus A into 1 by A similarly. A will cancel. Now S is common in all denominators. I have removed S from all denominators common, that 1 by S is here. And I already have one S here from the beginning. This will cancel, open the bracket. delta by s minus a, delta by s minus b plus delta by s minus c. This is r1 plus r2 plus r3. Right hand side required. Understand this work once again. S into s minus s plus a, that is ss will cancel, leaving a by s into s minus a. 1 by a is in denominator, just like this. Understand. So here s common in denominators, 1 by s minus a, 1 by s minus b, 1 by s minus b. This common s is here. S, this will cancel. Delta by s minus a r1, delta by s minus 2, s minus b r2, delta by s minus 3 r3. Proving another question, please see. Show in triangle ABC that r1 plus r2 secant square c by 2 is 4r, r2 plus r3 secant square a by 2 is also 4r, r3 plus r1 secant square b by 2 is also 4r. I am proving any one of these, leaving the others for you. Please see. Firstly, r1 plus r2 secant square c by 2. r1, there is a formula delta by s minus a. r2, there is a formula delta by s minus b. Secant square c by 2. Please see cos c by 2, what is the formula? Cos c by 2 is s into s minus a by bc under root. This is the formula for cos c by 2. S into s minus c by, this is cos a by 2. S into s minus a by bc, cos a by 2. Similar formula for cos b by 2, cos c by 2. Now this is secant c by 2. So I am inverting this one. Please see. Cos c by 2 formula also I will quote here. S into s minus c by ab. I have secant c by 2, so I will take reciprocal under root. No under root here because it's a square. Delta common. 1 by s minus a plus 1 by s minus b, ab by s into s minus c. Once again, please see. r1 delta by s minus a, r2 delta by s minus b, secant c by 2 we have to write cos c by 2 s into s minus c by ab, reciprocal after squaring ab by s into s minus c for secant square c by 2. LCM here, s minus a into s minus b, and we get here s minus b, and we get here s minus a. Understand. Delta common, 1 by s minus a, 1 by s minus b, LCM s minus a into s minus b, leaving s minus b here, s minus a here, this part remains as it is. This is 2s minus a minus b into ab by s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Please understand. This is 2s minus a minus b into ab. This is clubbed all together, s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, for which we are going to write delta square now. 2s is a plus b plus c, so this is only c into ab divided by delta square. This is c because 2s is a plus b plus c, so only c left out, into ab. This is delta square. This will cancel. Numerator is abc, denominator is delta. What's your formula? Your formula is r is equal to ABC by 4 delta. R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. That is the formula. I don't have 4 here. It's okay, no problem. For R. The first part is proved. Similarly, the other part I am not doing. I am just writing here. Similarly, the other two.